So I may or may not have a shopping addiction, but that's for you to decide. So I thought let me just give you a haul of everything I got lately. It is not in a particular order or so. I'm just randomly showing you guys. Some of it was on sale, thankfully, and others weren't. But I honestly have no regrets. I did go a little overboard this time. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into this massive haul. Starting off with West Side. From West Side, I got this PJ set, which is really cute, and I believe it's like a dupe of Victoria's Secret. It comes with this matching camisole, which looks like this, and these pair of shorts. These are like different. It's a set together, but they are priced different. I really love the lace detailing it has on the edges, and the short is for rupees 799 and the top is for rupees 799 as well. And honestly, I feel the minute you put on PJ sets at home, it's like a way of romanticizing life, because I have started using PJ sets and my life has never been the same. It just feels so put together when you're in this cute little PJ sets, and they're comfy as well. I got this really beautiful chappal. Look at it, how stunning it is. I really love the detailing it has, as it is perfect for a casual day out or for like Indian ethnic wear. And I really love this part because for me personally, I am not used to wearing heels and I feel very uncomfortable every time I wear heel. So something like this, I don't know what you call it. This is like my perfect heel for like a everyday outing or like a casual day. This was for rupees 1499. Coming to Nike, I got this really basic t-shirt. They had this offer where it was like buy 3 get 40% off. I did not like anything, so I just picked up this basic white t-shirt. I love the print it has at the front, but moreover I really like the thing it has at the back. It is like, it says just do it, so this is the reason why I purchased it. I got this for around rupees 1000, and for 1000 rupees I think it was worth it because the material is really good. Coming to makeup, I got this MAC Studio Radiance Concealer in the shade NC 35. And honestly, when I was in the store, the shade fit perfectly to me. But now it doesn't match me. I don't know it's because of the lighting or what, but I don't think it's my shade because every time I apply it, there's like a black thing. I mean, it seems very off. It doesn't seem like my shade. I bought this for rupees 3100, which I think is now wasted because it's not my shade, so I might just give it away to a friend or someone. Next, I have this Clarins lip oil. I really loved it. So I had like two options. One was between the Dior lip oil, which I really wanted, and the next one was this. The reason I did not pick the Dior lip oil was it leaves that mint taste or like the mint after effect. You feel that tingling on your lips, and that's something I did not want. And I found the Clarins one really good and rich, so I picked this up. This is how it looks. My favorite part about this is its wand, because just like look at it. I've already started using the Clarins lip oil and so far I've been really liking it, so I think it's like a good purchase. Next, I have two items from Myntra. First is this liquid glow setting spray, and it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. I really love it. I haven't used it much, but whenever I do, it leaves like a subtle natural glow on your face. And for 200 rupees, it is totally worth your purchase. Next, I have this body oil from Plum, and the backstory for this was I was looking for a body oil and I really wanted the Vaseline one. However, the Vaseline one sticks a lot, and I really did not see much good reviews about it. So the next best alternative was this oil. And I think this is like the dupe for Sol de Janeiro because it smells very similar to it. Just look at the shine. Next we have is Bershka. From Bershka I got two items. First is this grey bell bottom, a very cute kind of a lounge wear item. When you have nothing, you can just throw it on. I really love the bell bottom. I am a big fan of bell bottoms, so I had to pick this up. I had grey, navy blue and black in this. I already have black and I wanted to go for grey, so I picked out grey. Next I have a black tank top. I really can't find it right now since I've already started using it and I love it so much. I'll just insert a clip or video of it. Here's the tank top. It's soft, stretchy, and fits like a dream. I also really love the neck, and just look at the back. This tank is a perfect staple not only for lounging but also layering your outfits. This is how it looks from the front. Here's a little close up. This snatches your waist and makes you look more put together. Coming to my most random purchase from this entire haul is this mini fan which I got from Miniso. Okay, so first I used to just sit and wait for my makeup to dry, but not anymore. This purchase has been a total game changer and I genuinely can't believe I lived without it. Coming up next, I have this really cute keychain which I got from Market 99, and just look how cute and adorable it is. I got this for rupees 129. So coming to my most favorite purchase from this entire haul is this Michael Kors bag. And I'm not an impulse buyer, so I went to the store, looked at the bag, thought about it for like 2 3 days, and then I realized I really wanted it. So I went back, and they had this in two colors. One is their original brown, and second one is the white one. I really wanted the white one, and luckily the brown one was out of stock instead of the white. Otherwise I would have picked out the brown one. But here she is finally. Oh my god, I'm like so excited. This is like my first Michael Kors bag ever. I'm like super excited. Look at how pretty she is. I really love it. It's like perfect for like a everyday outing or like a casual day out. And just look at how pretty she looks. This is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. I really love the chain and the detailing it has all over it. Coming to the end of this haul, I have two products. One is this mist from Victoria's Secret, Pure Seduction Cashmere. This has a floral scent, and I've heard a lot about Victoria's Secret's perfumes and mists, so I picked out this one just to try out if Victoria's Secret is worth the hype, and I think it is. Next, I have this card holder. I really needed a card holder, and if you don't know, pink is like my favorite color, so of course I had to get it. This is how it looks on the outside, and this is how it looks on the inside. I just love how sleek and pretty it is. You can easily fit it in your bag, plus it can be also hung to your bag, and I think that's really cool. I won't be hanging it on my bag, I'll just keep it inside my bag. But you can also use this as a keychain and add in your house keys, car keys, etc. It just looks very cool. So that's everything for today's haul. Let me know in the comment section below which item was your fave, or like which item you think I didn't need but bought anyway. But before you go, I've got something huge coming up, and yes, a big giveaway, it's on its way. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So make sure you're following me on my Instagram, that is Alisha Raveli, and are subscribed and are a part of this family. If you'd like to watch more of these. I really had so much fun filming this video, and I hope you liked it too. So it was really lovely hanging out with you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.